Hello everyone, today we're going to do 5-minute makeup using my contour palette from Benefit. Pretty in the USA, it's gorgeous, it's quick, it's easy. Let me show you these colors, they're amazing. And if you want to see how to get out the door in 5 minutes, just stay tuned. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foundation on. Today I'm going to use the Naked. I'm just going to put it on my hand and blend it in with the blending brush. After that, we're going to set it. Make sure to get under your eyes really well. And I even put a little on my eyes as a primer when I'm in a hurry, and down the neck. I'm going to set it with the NYX powder and just using a brush like this, and it just gets rid of all the shine. So just blend it, blend it, blend it, put it on there. Get rid of all that shine. Next thing I'm going to do is contour. So this is the Benefit Pretty in the USA, and it comes with these 3 colors. So I'm going to use the Hoola Bronzer, which is the famous bronzer, and I'm just going to take it right there. Follow the hollow up on top here, and then right here on the edge. Looks dramatic now, but it's going to all blend in later. Trust me. Make it 3 like this. And I'm going to take that same palette. I'm going to use the highlight here. This is Dandelion Twinkle. Keep it well, a little on the chin. That's it, right there. I'm going to take that same palette and I'm going to do my eyes with it. So just take again the Hoola Bronzer, put that in your crease like this, windshield wiper motion like this. Right in the crease there, a little above too, like that. And also want to put a little of that under your eye. So that same color, the Hoola Bronzer. Then we're going to take that same highlight and we're going to highlight right here under the eyebrows. That. Now I have already done my eyebrows. But you can use any eyebrow pencil that you want. Also put that in the corners here. That makes it really brighten up. Okay, and then you take your finger, put a little bit in the middle of the lid. We're going to take a little MAC and put that in the waterline. Really brightens up the eye if you do that. I've already curled my lashes, so that's one less thing. And then I'm going to take my favorite mascara, Lancôme Monster Big, put that on. I literally cannot walk out the door without mascara. If I only had one beauty product that I could use, it would definitely be a mascara. I like to put 2 coats on, and I only put a little bit on the bottom. So I'm gonna put 1 more coat on the top. Then I'm gonna take this NARS concealer, NARS-Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I like to put a little on my chin too, because it gets red. And that I'll just blend in with my finger. And then last but not least, the lips. Now I am going to use this Nudestix. It's so amazing. It comes in a little tin like this with a little mirror. So that's kind of cool. And it comes with its own sharpener. So amazing. So this is the sharpener. It just sits on the end of it. I just put that on. And there you have it. 5-minute makeup using your concealer palette. No, highlight and bronzer palette. Highlight and bronzer palette, okay? And then the last thing I want to do is I finish all my videos with something for the mind and something for the spirit. So today I'm gonna show you for the mind. Classic book, Howard's End. If you haven't seen the movie, oh my gosh, Emma Thompson, unbelievable. Great book, it's a classic. And finally, for the spirit, Kathie Lee Gifford, The Rock, the Road, and the Rabbi. The last thing I like to share all the time is my hero item of the day, and you've already seen it. It is this ring I've been wearing during the whole tutorial, and it's from Nordstrom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment below, let me know if there's a palette that you wanna explore, or anything, makeup, a book you're loving, anything you wanna talk about, leave in the comments, and until next time, have a great day.